Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install Wicked Whims mod on Sims 4. So the first thing we need to do here, you need to go to wickedwhimsmod.com, and as you can see here it's plus 18 content. If you don't have 18 or more years, do not click it. If you have it, you can enter. I have more than 18 years old, so I can enter here. So press enter. Then you need to press download. Then you can select by itch.io or wicked.cc. I'll go with the wicked.cc. And then you just need to press download button. And then press download file here. Wait for a couple of seconds and save it to your desktop, okay? And once file is downloaded, then you just need to right click on it, extract all, and then extract to desktop or whatever you like. Then you should see these files here. So just drag to desktop this file here. You can just simply remove these files. It really doesn't matter. Then you need to go to a file explorer. Then you need to go to documents. Then here you need to look for electronic arts. Then Sims 4. And then here you should see mods. If you don't see mods folder, you can create one just by pressing new and name it to mods. And then you just need to drag and drop Wicked Whims mod folder here and launch the game. And then on mods list should be Turbo Driver Wicked Whims. If you don't see or if the mod is not enabled for you, what you need to do here is to just go to and press escape, then go to game options, then go to other, make sure enable custom content mods and scripts allow is enabled, apply changes, restart the game, and it should work. And game itself, as you can see here, there is more choices, and then Wicked you can do a bunch of different things. Also, you need to be in some sort of relationship or romance to do, as you can see, the thing here. Also, there is some settings to basically you can make restrictions less strict by going to Wicked, then settings, and then Wicked Whim settings, and then you can just remove some things like to basically talk, to get to intimacy and more. And also with this mod, you need to have a basically animations pack to have more animations and basically to be experienced way better. So in this video description below, I will show you exactly step by step how you can get animations as well. And yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like.